looking dumb, fucking with a crumb. Ex bitched up a crumb on me, wow. I ain't never really into talking down. Like, is you serious? Stop looking for a reason to hate me. Just hate me. Nobody's living it all. I'm working on me. They jealous how they lurking on me. I don't mind. My new girl's not too thirsty to ride. She's riding for me. Ride or dying for me. Oh. Girl, you're the reason you're lonely tonight. But this is season to get back your life. This is your chance. I know you know the truth. Come take a chance. It's not that I get it. I know you know the truth. When you see it's not that I get it. Oh, it's not that I get it. I blame you. 5'5" is pure sexy. I see. Her bitch wanna be her and they wanna meet you. You get them bookings in my city. I see niggas looking in my city. Trust me, this is not revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, girl, I know.
Walking on the ground. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind down, try what you say. What you say? It's that way. Turn back if you gon' crazy. If you want you respectful, yeah. If I slide, but it's hard just to press my issue, yeah. Ain't been playing up with me long enough, it must be stressful. Talk, but walking back it up, you can't let go. You said you treat me special, whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that. No matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that shit you can't deny, baby, that's that. Last time I tried to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Not to play yes, no. And I can be waiting cause I said so.
Going insane, I swear you're crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't about revenge. But now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know. But again, trust me, this ain't about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No. You said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, did you?
Another place, your love is wicked. Kill 'em. On and around, I can't get through my day. You feel me? Thoughts of you just keep consuming me. And I'm like that, and I'm like that too. Thought I could do it, but now I see that you're not mine. And I was wrong to think you changed. I wish you could stay with me another day. Stay with me another day. I wish I could change your mind and make you stay. Make me say, I'd give anything to hear you say.
My mom just sent me a new package. Let's see what she got me. My camera's about to die, so let me leave. My camera might die on me. I might might go to my phone. What is this ish? I ain't got time. Let me hurry up and show y'all. Camera died, so I'm on the camera with it. I like my nails. I ain't have my nails done like I'm feeling myself. See my mom's pants. Candles, it tastes like Christmas. She knows I love my vanilla beans. What would I be without my favorite drink of all time? Let's see. Let's see how it does right here. Sponsor me. Alright. Detroit hoodies. Okay. Too much swag on them. Gotta make them catch my breath. I love something on the back. You know I gotta have me something on the back of everything. Oh, Melinda Derish. She got me these because she couldn't tell. But she asked me did I want them. And I said, "Zuh, girl." I never took out some Melinda. Oh, this is an essential hoodie. Oh, I'm finna fight her. I got to beat her up. She would never be acting like. Oh. Just like that. Now my mom to give me 10 on Honda. Like, she said stop bothering me. I'm carrying another can. Let's see. You know, she can get her big one on it. Okay. Sugar lemon zest. Strong enough for me. These can't be for me. These can't be for me. I'm okay. Okay. Body butters. Plastic rouge. Let's see what it's talking about. It's talking about something. Okay? I think this is Liquid body. Okay. Oh, this is my favorite scent. That's why it's hitting. And my favorite shit. How do I my favorite? Mama. It's like you hitting and missing. What is these? Little dirt. Rattlesnake? Mom, is this a default? Victoria should have kept it a secret. Blueberry lemon sour. Hold on. Oh. Let me grow up. Why do you keep little TikToks in here? Mom, like, okay, I don't know where you're going with this, but like, you're not hitting it on the nose. Okay, I know I'm an adult, but what was she doing behind me? Shout out to my mom for the gift. She always loves me with the care packages. See y'all later. She said, "Look,